What's up everyone, in this explainer we'll be showing you how to fix Path of Exile 2 D3D12 failed to create resource for texture error on PC. So here are some steps to follow if you'd like to fix it. The first option is to change the renderer type. Go to File Explorer, then Documents, My Games, and then Path Exile 2. Open the config file using your notepad, find the renderer type. Then you'll see DirectX 12. You'll need to change it to DirectX 11 or Vulkan, then save changes. The second option is to disable multi-threading. In the config file, select Engine, then multi-threading mode. Change the value from Enable to Disabled, and then save and relaunch the game. The third option is to delete the config file. Open your Documents, My Games, and then Path of Exile 2 folder. Back up the config file and delete it. Then restart the game, then generate a new config file. For the fourth option, you can try to verify game files. In order to do this, you need to open Steam, right-click on the game, and then select Properties. Then go to the Installed File tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The fifth option is to adjust power settings. Open your control panel, then under Hardware and Sound, select Power Options. Then you need to switch to High Performance for your PC, and then relaunch the game. Another option is to run as administrator. So go to the game installation folder and then right click on the game's .x file. And then you're going to see the option to run as administrator. Another option is to add the game to antivirus exceptions. Now Windows recognizes some software as threats to itself, so it might restrict internet access to such softwares. In order to fix this problem, you'll need to add the game to antivirus exceptions. In order to do this, go over to Windows Security, go over to Virus and Threat Protection, and then select Manage Ransomware Protection. There will be an option to add the file as an exception. When you click on Add, you'll need to locate the game's .x file and add it to the exceptions list on your antivirus software or Windows Defender. You can also allow the game by going over to Control Panel, Windows Defender Firewall, and Allow an App. When you click on it, you'll need to select the game's X file. You could also try to update or reinstall graphic drivers. Visit your GPU's manufacturer's website, either AMD or NVIDIA drivers, to get the latest update. To download the latest driver, then select Custom Installation and perform a clean installation. After the installation is done, make sure to restart your PC before starting the game. And then if your PC is high-end with a dedicated GPU, make sure to run it on a dedicated GPU. Search for graphics settings in Windows search bar, then add the game's X file and set it on high performance. If you're not using a high-end PC, you can lower the in-game graphics settings. Launch the game, go over to Options, and then Graphics. And then under Graphics, you can adjust DirectX 11 or Vulkan. Lower the texture quality to medium or low. Then disable the VSync or cap EPS to 60. Then finally, reduce the load on your PC by disabling overlays like Discord, Steam, and others. Then also, you can disconnect external devices that are not essential to your game. And then lastly, go ahead and close all apps running in the background that are not in use. By following some or all of these options, we hope you'll be able to fix the error on your PC.